Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. We have this challenge which read x is equals to 1 plus root of 5 divided by 2, then x to the power of 12 is equals to what? So we're looking for the value of x to the power of 12. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's provide a solution to this. You can say solution. Okay, say solution, write the question which says x equals to 1 plus the root of 5 divided by 2. And recall in our mind, we are having x to the power of 12 is what we are interested in. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to cross multiply. So if we do that, we are having 2x equals to 1 plus the root of 5. Okay, so having done this, the next thing we are going to do is to take the power of both equations to 3. So if we should do that, we have x all to the power of 3 is equals to 1 plus the root of 5 all to the power of 3. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. Take both equations to the power of 3. So this is what I actually did here. So I'm going to bring an identity which says we are having a plus b all to the power of 3, okay, is equals to a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ba square. So this identity is what I'll actually apply at this point. So if I should do that, so if I take this to be 2 to the power of 3 is going to give us 8. So we are saying 8x to the power of 3 is equals to, so we should put this identity where our a is equals to 1 and our b is equals to root 5. Okay, so if I should put this identity here, I'm having 1 to the power of 3 plus root 5 all to the power of 3, okay, plus 3 times, open bracket, where's your a? Your 1 square times, where's your b? Root 5, okay, plus 3 times, where's your b? Root 5, okay, times, where's your a? Your a is also, sorry, this is b square. We're having b square here. 3a square b plus 3b square a. So we're having square here times a, which is your 1. Okay, so having done this, what are we simply going to do? So we're having here to be 8x to the power of 3 equals to, so this, we take this, it remains 1 plus root of 5 to the power of 3 is going to give us 5 root 5 plus, this is going to give us 3, this is going to give us 3 root 5, okay, plus we take this, becomes 3 times the square of root 5 is going to give us 5 times 1. Okay, having done this, we're now having here to be 8x to the power of 3 is equals to 1 plus 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 is going to give us 8 root 5 plus, okay, plus this 3 times 5 times 1 is going to give us what? 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. 15 times 1 is going to give us what? 15. So we're having 15 here. Okay, so we are saying here is now 8x to the power of 3 is equals to, so we can easily collect like terms here. 1 plus 15 is going to give us 16 plus 8 root 5. Okay, so what then is the next step? The next thing we can simply do again is, we are having 8 here, we are having 16 plus 8 root 5. There's something common, and that which is common on this right hand side is 8. So if we should factor 8 out, we are having here to be 8x to the power of 3 equals to, if we should factor 8 here, becomes 8 open bracket, 8 divided by 16 is going to give us 2, plus 8 divided by 8 is going to give us 1, and 1 times root 5 is going to give us root 5, close the bracket. We cannot say that 8 is common, 8 is common. So if we divide both sides, we are left with x to the power of 3 is equals to 2 plus root 5. Okay? Okay. So the next thing we are going to do again, so we've gotten x to the power of 3 is now equals to 2 plus root 5. We are going to square both sides. So if we should square both sides, we're having this to be x to the power of 3 all square is equals to 2 plus root 5 all square. Okay? Haven't done this. If we should put in this, we're having x to the power of 6 is equals to, square this with an identity which says a plus b all square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we should put this identity here, where our a is equals to 2, our b is equals to root 5. Okay? So if we should put this identity here, we have this to be 2 square plus 2 times your a is 2 times root 5, okay, plus our b square which is root 5 all square. Okay? Having done this, we can say here is x to the power of 6 equals to 2 square is going to give us 4 plus 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. We're having 4 root 5. Okay? Plus the root of 5 is going to give us, root of 5 square is going to give us 5. So we are going to have x to the power of 6 is equals to 4 plus 5 is going to give us 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay, we are getting close. So the next thing we are going to do, we are now having x to the power of 6 is equals to 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay? So the next thing we are going to do again is to get, because we are interested in x to the power of 12. That's what we are interested in. See, right? So we are going to square both sides again to get x to the power of 12. So if we should do that, we're having x to the power of 6 all square is equals to 9 plus 4 root 5 all square. Okay? So if we should put in this, we are having x to the power of 12 equals to, so we are still going to use the same identity here, which is a plus b all square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So if we should put this identity here, where our a is equals to 9, our b is equals to 4 root 5. So becomes 9 square plus 2 times, what is our a? 9 times, what is our 4? Root 5, right? Okay? Plus 4 root 5 all square. Okay? So we are not having this. So we are now having x to the power of 12 is equals to 9 square plus 2 times 9 times 4 root 5 plus open bracket 4 root 5 close bracket all square. So if you do this, we're having x to the power of 12 is equals to, so if we open the brackets, we are having here to be 81, okay, plus 2 times 9 is going to give us 18, and 18 times 4 is going to give us 72. So we are having 72 root 5 plus this going to this place becomes 16, and 16 times 5 is going to give us 80. So we're having 80 here. Okay? So having x to the power of 12 equals to, so 81 plus 80, 81 plus 80 is going to give us 161 plus 72 root 5. So this is the value for x to the power of 12. So x to the power of 12 is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. So this is the value for x to the power of 12. So if you find this video interesting, please click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. God bless you. Jesus loves you. God loves you. And see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button. Bye bye.